Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. So today I am back with another tutorial. So today in my new video I will be showing you how to make easy DIY woolen cap for Laddu Gopal without knitting and crochet. It is very easy to create with easy methods in few minutes. So let's start with the procedure, but before starting I want to show you the cap. So this is the cap which I will be showing you how to make, and see, the cap name is bunny ears cap. See how cute it is looking. So let's start with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming video. So let's do it quickly. So for making the cap you are required here with any color wool. I have taken here orange color yarn, and now just take here your thumb and wrap the wool around your thumb like this. And the cap size is small. You can also take 2 fingers and then make big cap, but I am making here small. So you round the wool around 5 times in your finger, and you are following here the same process as I have told you in my earring video, as I posted it before and before. So similarly here we are taking our thumb for the rounds, but in that I have taken here the front big finger. So now just take the length of the wool and just cut the excess. So now insert the wool from the needle. So see, I have inserted the wool through the needle. Now just again take your needle through the wool like this, and just take the length of the wool and just cross it around the needle and just squeeze the needle out of the wool like this. This is the same process as we followed in the earring one. So I will post the link of the earring video. You can watch if not watched yet. See, like this, it's very easy to create. Similarly you complete the whole wool. So see, it is done. Now just take the needle and just mark the knot like this. But mark here 2 knots for the second layer. Now just similarly insert needle and again round it through the needle and just stretch it, and similarly make the second layer over the first one like this. You just follow the same process. So you can notice that the second layer is also done. Now from the same point just mark a double knot like this from the top, and second knot like this. Now just similarly from the same point just insert the needle and just round it and just similarly make the third layer. And you can notice that the thickness and the layers is increasing. So you can follow the same process. So the third layer is also done. Now from the same point you just double knot it, and just I have knotted it before. Now just I am making the fourth layer. Now just you follow the same process. Now the fourth layer is also done. Now I am making the fifth layer. Make the layers till you can't see that it starts bending. So I have started making fifth layer with the same process. It's very easy to create, but it is little time taking. Follow the same procedure. So the fifth layer is also done. Now I am starting the sixth one layer. I have inserted more wool in my needle. So now you just follow the same procedure and start making the layers like this. Now just leave the loops and make the layers like this. Now sixth is also done. Now you can see the layers are increasing. Now move to the seventh one. Now just start the eighth layer. Like this. Now I am starting with the ninth layer. Like this. Complete the circle. I have marked here knot and the layers are done, and I have made around 12 or 13 layers and just mark the double knot for the closing. So now I am cutting the excess like this. Now just squeeze the shape and just insert the needle and like this, and through the needle like this. Now like this. Just squeeze it and just stitch it. So the cap is done. Now I am marking here the double knot from the both sides. Now just take your scissor and trim the excess wool out of the cap like this. Now take here needle and insert the green color wool, but don't tie the knot at the end. Now just insert the needle. Now just take the one end of a wool and just mark a loop and just insert it and stretch the one end like this. Now make the around 6 to 7 loops in the same manner like this. Now just squeeze it like this and just cut off the excess wool like this from the top, and just cut this excess wool same way. Now just take the more wool in the needle and stitch the ears to the cap like this. Now like this. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now just again sew it from the back side and the ear is ready. See how cute it is looking. Similarly make the another ears. So see, it is done. See how cute both they are looking. So must try the caps at your home. It's very easy to create, and share your feedback in the comment section below, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and must share with your relatives and I will be posting some videos, link in my description box. You can watch it there if haven't watched yet, and also you can comment down your request videos. So thank you, till then, bye bye.